Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of Sabja Seeds or Basil seeds. Basil seeds are a good source of mineral packed with fiber, help you to keep you full and thus helps in reducing the food intake, regulates the blood sugar levels, improves cholesterol and rich plant source of omega-3 fat. Then add quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease, contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body, improves bone health. Then add 1 cup of water to it. Let this rest for 2 minutes. Essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. The Sabja seeds are blooming now. When the basil seeds are completely bloomed, add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.